Good morning, everyone. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how you can access external JS file into your HTML document, right? Using JavaScript, right? So, here, first of all, you need to create one JSON file. You have to store that file with .json extension, right? So, I have created one JSON file over here. So here you can see I have created one array, JSON array, and into that I have put the values ID and name, right? So we have 18 values, right? And you have to store that file into your current working directory, right? Otherwise you have to give a fully qualified path. So this particular file is in my current directory, so I have written dot slash. Now over here, if you want to access that, then normally the JSON data comes from the server, right? So whenever you want to access that, then we are going to use a fetch method, right? So whenever you are going from local to server, right? So you are getting a response. So here you can use dot then response, right? Response.json. Okay, so it will store that particular value. So now if our response is proper, then we are going to create one function, and we are going to create here one variable, that is data, and into that we are going to store the values, and we are loop through that and we are printing the values, right? So here you can see that our values are here in a data. So let I equal to 0, I less than data dot length, I plus plus. So here it will print all the values where you want to display that data. So here I have defined one division. I have given the ID show data. So document dot get elements by ID, right? So data dot inner HTML, right? So now we are going to use repeatedly. So plus equal to we have to write which data I want to display. So data I dot ID and the name. So that values we have over here, ID and name. That's it, guys. Now you have to run this particular code from the server. So here you can see I have installed live server plugin into this particular thing. So if you execute this code, then it will run on a local host, right? 127.0.0 and port number 5500, right? And you are getting the output like this, all the IDs and name of that, right? So data extracted from external JSON file using JavaScript. Okay, so this way you can access the external JSON file in JavaScript. That's it, guys.